Here's a little low volume test with the Kicker ZX350.2 that Charles gave me. I replaced these three, these three FETs over here. Those three, replace those, and I might end up replacing these three just to make it more balanced, make everything equal. And then these over here, these outputs right here, these two were bad. I took those off. They were on this side. That's why I'm not turning it up, because I don't want to put too much stress or anything on it. But the gain's all the way down if I turn it up. That's about it. Green light. My power supply over there. You can hear it has sound going through this. Pause it. And it's just on one channel right now. I can probably do that. Oh, no, because I don't have the speaker on that side. Yep. So once I get these two outputs from that store, the Audio Lab place, put them on here and I'll have bass again.